Hello and welcome back to Via Constructions. Today we'll see the home tour of a 4-bedroom 2,265 square feet house built in a 7-cent plot in Kerala. The ground floor area of this house is 1,205 square feet and the first floor area is 1,060 square feet. This house uses a combination of sloped and flat roof elevation. The sloped roof element of the elevation has been done on the flat roof with purlin support. Pergolas with tempered glass has also been given as designer elements. Stone cladding work has also been provided to enhance the aesthetics. The combination of blue and white paint goes well with the brown color of the wood used for doors and windows. A sliding type gate made of mild steel is used for this building. This design helps to utilize the available front yard effectively. The color of the gate matches with that of the building. The house has been built above the road level and so a slope has also been provided. From the gate you can directly access the car porch. Kajaria tiles are used for the flooring of the car porch. A short granite wall has been provided on all three sides of the car porch. This can be used to place plants or as an outdoor seating area for family and friends. There is also a planter box adjacent to the car porch. There is a wide sit-out leading to this house. Granite flooring is used for this space. Pergolas with tempered glass covering has been provided as a designer element. The main door has been done in teak wood. From the sit-out you enter a formal living area. The formal living room has an area of 140 square feet. There is also a puja area set alongside the living area. The puja area is done as a separate niche carved out of the formal living area. Pergolas with tempered glass are provided in this area too. This is separated from the rest of the house with a wooden partition. The walls of the puja area have been highlighted by the use of black cladding stones. From the formal living area you reach a large family living cum dining area. This space has an area of 300 square feet and has access to the rest of the house like the kitchen, bedroom and stairs to the first floor. Wooden paneling has been provided for the TV unit, the entrance to the kitchen and the staircase. High density, high moisture resistance HDHMR boards have been used for this. This goes very well with the wooden furniture used. Kajaria floor tiles are used in this space. A wash unit and storage space has also been provided under the staircase. The kitchen has been done in a semi-open format. There are no doors to the kitchen but just a large opening with a patterned grill window. The kitchen has an area of 142 square feet. It has been set in a modular fashion. Sufficient storage spaces under and over the counter have been provided. Kitchen is done using laminated marine plywood. Adjacent to the kitchen there is a rectangular work area of size 75 square feet. The door to the exterior of the house is also from this space. There is also a work area with a truss roof here. All external doors in this house are made of mahogany. All windows are also done in mahogany on an annealing frame. There is one bedroom in the ground floor. It has an area of 140 square feet. Storage spaces have been provided in all bedrooms. The cupboards in the bedroom are done using HDHMR. The staircase to the first floor is done in a double L shape. There is a window along the staircase wall that provides ample lighting to the living spaces. The handrails are done in teak wood with tempered glass panels. As you reach the first floor, there is a living area. A small sky roof covered with tempered glass is provided in this area. This also allows maximum sunlight into the space. There are 3 bedrooms in the first floor with area 140, 142 and 93 square feet respectively. All bedrooms have attached toilets and storage cupboards. All bathroom fittings are from Cera. There is a balcony and an open terrace from the living area. Wooden cladding tiles are used in the balcony walls. A large French window is also given here. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please do subscribe to our channel for more construction related videos. See you soon. Bye.